I'm back here tuning, you know.
Yo, what are you doing back there, dude?
Reading misfire.
Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. A lot has happened since, I say this every time, but literally since the last time I filmed, a lot's happened as per usual. This is like what we're always working on. So if you're an OG subscriber, you may remember that S13, but I guess I should catch you up just a little bit, I'm not gonna give it all away, but we will give a little bit away. TK, show them what we got. The S14 is actually done. Ignore the wheels because those wheels don't matter, but yeah, we give you a little sneak peek. We got the KLX. TK got the little pitter out, and the BMW's under there if you remember the BMW. It's ready to rock and roll, just needs alignment. Next year, I'm really gonna drive the shit out of that. I want that to be the street weapon. Street assassin. What would it be the name for that? It's European. The street knight. The street knight in the night. The nightly street knight. I don't know. We have to get a name for that. But what we're doing is we're working on that S13. I didn't yeah, we put an LS in here before. If you've seen the last video, we put an LS in here. It was a ticking time bomb. Fucking didn't even make it on the track, but it is what it is. This one, I have actually put this in a couple different times just to like move it around and like mock shit up. New tube front, maybe noticing I actually bought this hatch and it came with this, so I was like, so Aiden did weld me on something. I still have them because Dave bent them for me, but we'll save them for something else. We actually had this in, right? You like that street attire? Oh yeah. And I couldn't get it I couldn't get the trans mount up all the way. Believe it or not, the last one fit. This one for some reason would not go up. So took the sledge under there and we went to town. I didn't want to take you with me because it'd be like but we're slow. But we're feeling it, yeah. And but we finally got the car ready, so we're gonna put the jack on the motor and try again. I said we had it a couple times in there, but we've only had it in there twice. First time was to make sure.
I got it running the first time.
Well, no, this is not this motor.
Oh yeah. That was the other motor.
The other motor.
Multiple times.
Yeah, there's been like multiple motors in here that you have not seen, but we're getting there. This one we actually got out of the Atlantic Ocean and not the Pacific, so we heard that might be a little bit better. So yeah, tip, Atlantic Ocean, you don't want Pacific, colder water over there. So we heard that affects it with the salt. So yeah, but we did all new front accessories and stuff. The only thing I'm missing is that little idler pulley right here, which I actually have up there. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put this on the stand and we'll kind of take you with us. I really want to get back into vlogging, so I'm actually going to try and take you with us. So let me put the camera down and get this all set up. All right, we got the hair and frat boy mode. We got the motor in, and we even. I'm feeling pretty good about the shifter. It's actually in the hole. Let me show you. So, got the jacked it up. First try, we found the hole. TK and I are pretty good at that, and yeah, motor's in. So, got the bump foot action too. It feels good whenever you do something you're actually fucked up, you know? But it looks even. I can't wait to crawl under it. The moment we're really gonna find out whenever we crawl under it and go to see if we can put the bolt into the trans mount. But like, I'm actually feeling pretty good about this. So we're gonna go ahead, put the camera down. I'm gonna crawl under there, take a look. Maybe I'll show you, maybe I won't. Obviously, you'll never know because I'll cut that out. But yeah, dude, that looks good actually. So a big key to an LS swap and an S14 is having it over the front subframe. You don't want it to be like super far forward. You actually want it to be like tucked back in over the subframe. So kind of like in the position, if you can see there, there's a pretty nice gap between the front sway bar and. All right, so I just got back from Chirac under there. That war zone with all them spiders and shit. Shoo! Yeah, first time the motor mounts, tranny mounts, and everything have been tightened in a couple months, I'd say. You know, since I blew up that last motor. So at this point, it's just putting the puzzle back together. I mean, we might be able to start it up tonight, honestly. Dang. We are going to be able to maybe start it up. I don't want to get my hopes up too high. Still got all the wire harness and stuff to do, but I think it's officially time to take the little hoist part off and yeah, let's just start bunning up, see where we can get with it. Headers, all that good stuff. Need to start finding stuff. Got some stuff back there, some stuff up here. Take you with us for a second. All right, so we got this side. Don't know where the other side is. It actually might be with the headers over there. Exhaust stuff. Alright. Power steering pump. It says power steering line. Aero stuff. Exhaust stuff is back here. Load pipe. Okay. Drive shaft. Okay, so we need to find everything. We're missing the other header gasket. We'll find it. I'll catch you guys up whenever we start putting stuff together. So not much has happened. We kind of just been messing around. I did get both the headers on and the starter, primary positive wire and the remote on there. The only thing left to do is put the ground to the block right there. Need to clean that up a little bit. Intake's not on, just loose. I did put this on because I've never had a working throttle, so now I have a working throttle, and I did test it on the inside, it works, so that was super cool. Like I said, headers are on. Yeah, I don't know, I'm probably gonna put the power steering on next. Just kind of piecing it together. We might run to the store because we're both starving. All right, so we went to Taco Bell. A lot has happened. Spark plugs in and stuff. I did realize that the 8th coil was a little bit broke, but we threw it on anyways. But yeah, I need to get a new coil there. Oh well. We'll take that if that's everything that's wrong. Next thing is we had to tap down there for the ground. We had to tap down here for the power steering. Power steering's now on. We just need to press the pulley on. Crank, we still need to put the new crank bolt in and push that all the way on. Next issue we're having is pulley. We're getting some clearance issues right here, so we got the flapper out, and we're just gonna do a little with it, and that should give us enough clearance for that. Yeah, it's gonna be nice. We went ahead and installed the pulley for the power steering. idler pulley. We did have to make some trim in here, as you can see. It was rubbing, so this is like an 04, I believe, Camaro alternator. It's F-body. You might have to shave it a little bit right there if you do go with that, just from Rock Auto. So I actually got a GM part from Rock Auto. It's super cheap. So that wraps up the front accessories. I just need to take out the old crank bolt, put the new one in, and then finally seat that, torque that to spec, and then that's all wrapped up. I think at this point I am going to actually go ahead and start running the harness and get that where I need it to go. We can hook fuel up, we can hook clutch up. Yeah, just bundling things up, honestly. Does suck, I don't have an oil filter, so we're not going to be able to start it tonight, but we'll get a filter tomorrow. Hopefully start this thing up. Won't have no accessory. We're back in the garage. I wanted to get a head start before a couple buddies showed up. It's super cold. I'm in between doing some things, so I didn't have the furnace on. So I went ahead and installed the remote oil filter. Got it all hooked up to the pan. The front one goes into the remote filter, and the back bung goes from the remote filter. I also got the power steering lines ran. I did have to do this for the oil filter, for the bungs on the oil pan. They don't make it spaced out enough, which is kind of lame. I mean, even if they made one shorter and the next one down longer, that would help out tremendously. So you might have to sacrifice a ratchet to get it installed, but we went ahead, got that installed. I'm gonna go ahead, put the camera down, wait for some buddies to show up, and then we are going to officially start this bad boy. Aiden's in the garage, TK is here. I just disconnected the ignition coils, but I also forgot to mention I connected the oil lines for the external oil filter. I've ran the power steering lines for high pressure and low. And then I got underneath and I installed the drive shaft and the exhaust. And then, yeah, it's all hooked up now. So we got a full drivetrain. Hopefully we don't have to take it off because I'm selling the whole car. So we just put 6 quarts in it. Dude, I will sell the whole fucking car. I'm not even joking at this fucking point. Dude, straight up. But we're gonna turn it over a couple times, check the fluids and stuff. I disconnected the ignition, so the ignition coils, so that it didn't turn over. Just want to get the oil going through it, hear it out and stuff, make sure it sounds good. Exhaust is connected as well, so we have exhaust, we don't blow our ears out, and yeah, wish us luck. So we connected the battery, turned the key on, gonna hit ignition, and then we're just gonna hold the starter. Holy's fired up. Let the Holy do its thing. Just kind of look at everything. Should take it out of gear. That'll help. Nah. Can you hold it out there? So we primed the fuel, primed the oil. There's only one thing left to do. It's to start this mug. And I'm actually nervous. My arms feel a little weak. Arms weak. What is it? Arms weak. Arms weak. How's it? Arms weak. Arms ready.
Knees weak, arms are heavy.
Knees weak, arms are heavy. For real. I don't know why I'm so nervous. I just want this to be done. How's it go, dude? Do you remember?
Knees weak, arms heavy. Mom's spaghetti. He said, arms weak, mom's spaghetti.
Bum, 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 bum. Alright, so we didn't see any leakage or anything. There's only one thing left to do, and it's to start it, so we got oil on the dipstick. I don't know why the arc panel keeps flashing. It turns everything off. So I think we either got a short or I don't got enough juice. One or the other. I
It's
hope
probably
it's a dead
body.
battery. I don't know. We're gonna go get the jump pack and try again. See what's happening.
Ready? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Damn, bro, you even smell good.
Dude, you like the cologne? Wafting it.
Trying to pull the woman tonight.
My TPS has to be fucked up. Oh yeah, that's right. I got it was TPS. That scared the shit out of me. It started, eh?
Look at all this. Look at all the smoke
Dude,
it
that
blew
was
out.
insane. First try.